Dear students, good morning to everybody. We will solve some other integration problems. First one, evaluate integration of secant x by secant x divided by secant x minus tan x. Dx. Here also you should make this denominator rationalization in the denominator. That means take conjugate of this denominator and multiply to numerator and denominator of that conjugate. That is integration of secant x divided by secant x minus tan x into conjugate of this is secant x plus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x into dx. Now multiply this secant x to this bracket, that is secant x into secant x, that is secant square x, secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x, that is plus secant x tan x dx divided by, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, a minus b, that is denominator a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. Answer is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Here a is equals to secant x, a is equals to secant x, b is equals to tan x, b is equals to tan x. So this is a square minus b square, secant square x minus tan square x, tan square x. So we know one formula, that is 1 plus tan square x is equals to trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x. Now transform this tan square to this side, plus will become minus, that is 1 is equals to left side 1 will remain, right side secant square minus tan, secant square x minus tan square x, secant square x minus tan square x. Now we can use this one here, that is secant square minus tan square is substituted as 1. So this is secant square x plus secant x tan x divided by, this becomes 1. So next apply integration symbol to each term, that is of numerator, integration of secant square x dx plus integration of secant x tan x to dx. Now we know integration of secant x is tan x. tan x plus integration of secant x tan x is secant x plus c. This is the answer. Plus c. So how we solve this problem? Just take the conjugate of this denominator, multiply and divide, multiply to numerator and multiply and divide by that conjugate of this denominator. After multiplying, numerator becomes secant square x, secant x tan x divided by, it is a plus b, a minus b formula, that is secant square x minus tan square x. Numerator, as I told, secant square x plus secant x tan x into dx. Denominator becomes 1. Denominator becomes 1. Split the integration terms. Apply integration symbol to each terms. That is integration of secant square x dx plus integration of secant x tan x dx. Integration of secant square is, we know, the standard trigonometric. This is integration, standard integral. Integration of secant square is tan x. Integration of secant x tan x is secant x plus c, constant of integration. That's how we solve the problem. I hope you are understood this. Let's continue next problem. Problem 2. Integration of, evaluate integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Square root under square root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Now you should know some trigonometric formulas, that is 1, as already taught in previous classes. 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x is 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. Substitute them in the integral, numerator and denominator. So that is integration of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 get cancelled. Yesterday I told another one formula, that is small formula, trigonometric identity, that is sin x by cos x is written as tan x, and sin square x by cos square x is equal to tan square x. Substitute this, and here x by 2 is there, use x by 2, that is sin square x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2 is equals to tan square x by 2. Substitute these formulas here. So I will substitute this as tan x by 2. This is tan square x by 2. Sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 is equals to tan square x by 2. Tan square x by 2. Tan square x by 2. Now this square root and this cancels. What will remain? Integration of tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. What is the integration of tan x by 2? That is also known formula, that is log of secant x by 2. Log of secant x by 2. This 1 by 2 will become denominator. Log of secant x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. This 2 will come to numerator, that is 2 log of secant x by 2 plus c. Plus c. This is the answer for that. This is quite simple if you know the formulas. That is, remember, that is 1 minus cos x is 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. If you remember, equals to, and then sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to tan x by 2. Square root and cancels. Tan x by 2. Tan integration of tan x by 2 is log of secant x by 2 plus c. Third problem. Evaluate dx by sin square x. Dx by sin square x. So we know one form of trigonometric ratios, that is sin x is equal to 1 by cosecant x, or cosecant x is equal to 1 by sin x. So instead of 1 by sin, we can write 1 by sin. That is, if you reversely if you write, that is sin 1 by sin x is cosecant x. If you take square here, it will become square. Here we get square. 1 by sin square x is equal to cosecant square x. 1 by sin square x is equal to cosecant square x. That you have to substitute here. Integration, instead of 1 by sin square, I will substitute as cosecant square x. Cosecant square. We know integration of this standard formula I have already given you. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Minus cot x plus c. Minus cot x plus c. No, let us know some other results. integration of right results and examples. Results and examples. Results and examples. First one, cos of ax plus b. Cos of ax plus b dx is equals to 1 by b sin of ax plus b. Example, cos of 5x plus b dx is equals to, here we already know integration of cos x is equals to sin x plus c. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Here only change what we get is this x. X is taken as ax plus b. X is ax plus b. And in result what we get changes is variable coefficient, that is x is a variable here, its coefficient is a plus b, plus b is constant. That means this a is multiplied to x and b is on outside the integral, that is 1 by b. In integration we take b outside the integral, that is 1 by b sin of ax plus b plus c. Integration of cos x is sin. Here also integration of cos of ax plus b dx is cos sin ax plus b plus c. Only change is this b is multiplied as 1 by b. Take an example, cos of ax plus b. Here a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 5x plus 3. We take it 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3. So here 1 by b, 1 divided by b means here 3. Sin of 5x plus 3 plus this is how we write. It's one more question. Right. Next, second one, integration of 1 divided by ax plus b dx. So this is equals to 2 by ax plus b plus c. So you can take an example. Similarly, you can take this only, that is 5x plus 3 dx is here 2 as it is divided by a means here again 5 and b is equal to 3. So this is 2 by a means here 5. 2 by 5 square root of 5x plus 3 plus c. You know, in differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. That's why this 2 comes there. That's why this 2 comes there. This 2. How you solve integration of root x? Integration of root x is dx is 1 by, x to the power of 1 by 2. This root can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. This is a x to the power of n formula. X to the power of n, integration of x to the power of n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Use this formula, that is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. So 2 ones are 2, that is x to the power of 1 plus 2 divided by 2 divided by 1 plus 2, that is divided by 2. X to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 by 2. X to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. This 2 becomes to numerator, that is 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3. This is how we integrate root x. This is how we integrate root x. Then you can take another example, that is example 2. Integration of 1 by 5x plus 3, 5x plus 1. Here a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 1. What is our formula? 1 by root ax plus b dx is equals to 2 by a square root of ax plus b plus c. This is our formula. So here 1 by 1 a by 2, a is fixed, 2 is fixed, a is, what is a here in this one? 5. 2 by 5 square root of 5x plus 1, 5x plus 1 plus c. All one more questions. Next, integration of 1 by ax plus b dx. So this is 1 by a log of 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. Ax plus b c. So you can take one example, that is example integration of 5x plus 3 dx. Here a is equals to 5, b is equals to 3, and 1 by a means 5 log of 5x plus 3 plus c plus c. next one. Fourth or fifth one. Integration of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx is equals to 1 by ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c and n is not equals to minus 1. N is not equals to minus 1. N is not equals to. If n becomes minus 1, what happens? This minus 1 plus 1 cancels. This is, if n becomes minus 1, this is ax plus b whole to the power of n divided by this. If you take n as minus 1 plus 1, this becomes cancels 0. Anything by 0 will become infinity, no meaningless. That's why n should not be equals to minus 1. That's the condition in that. To take an example, this is 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3 whole to the power of n whole to the power of, take it as 2. So dx 1, here a is equals to again 5 and b is equals to 3. 1 by 5, 5x plus 3 whole to the power of 5x plus 3 whole to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is 1 by 5x plus 3 divided by whole to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c. So this is the answer. So these are the some standard integrals and the along with the examples. Okay, we will continue next class.